Central Chennai candidate from DMK, Dyanidhi Maran, is here with his family. Sir, you have casted your vote. Can you tell us what this election means for India?
This election is to rescue India from the forces which are trying to divide India in the base of caste and religion. Enough is enough. How long are you going to divide India? We want India, a progressive India. What have we achieved in 10 years? Let's say, we want growth. Our state has been suffering because of the BJP not allowing anything. Today, the BJP has given advertisement. What have they done for Tamil Nadu? What have they done for my language? What have they done for my people? Nothing. The Prime Minister has come 8 times to Tamil Nadu with empty hands. When we had floods, he was not even there. Even now when he's coming here, has he giving any relief or any investment proposal for Tamil Nadu? These just empty promises and trying to divide our country based on religion. Enough is enough. We need growth. We need growth. We need employment. End of the day, what are youth asking? The youth is asking for employment. We need employment. This is what the election is for.
And what is going to be your message for the voters?
I request the young voters and the voters, come out. Let's save India from BJP. Let's save India from Modi. Let's make sure that Tamil Nadu rises up above other states.
If elected, how is India Alliance going to change India?
Just like in 2004, when we had a good Prime Minister, who are secular Prime Minister, like Manmohan Singh, India Alliance is going to win. We are going to get more than 350 seats in India. We'll form a secular government. We'll have one more Prime Minister who will be a democratic Prime Minister, who won't be a dictatorial Prime Minister like what we have. And we'll make sure there's growth in India.
Thank you so much, sir. That was Dyanidhi Maran, who has come here to cast his vote, and he has done it here. Zivian from Madhav for Tonight.